we have put our very own drive-through box at the peak of Canada. You're here live for the first ever McDonald's National French Fry Day live stream, or should I say Friestream. Remember, you can send in comments, messages, videos. We're gonna be helping you shout your fry love here all day long. This one's coming in from @Brianne Williamson.
I love French fries!
Draw me like one of your French fries. There you go, Nicole. That's just for you. I scream, you scream, we all scream for #Friestream. Enjoy your National French Fry Day. We did it, baby! When they said they were gonna put it at the top of Canada, I didn't actually think they meant the top of Canada.